Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, really do appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a mini eyeshadow tutorial. I don't know what look I'm going for yet, but you get to watch the whole creative process. Before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification. And thank you so much guys for the follows. We reached 130. I know it's not much for most people, but I really do appreciate it. We are growing in here. Don't forget to share, all this love, all this knowledge about beauty and getting snatched. Don't forget to share it with your friends. So yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. I've already done my face, as you can see, and I've done my eyebrows, and I've primed my eyelids with a concealer. I did not set my concealer though. So I'm gonna start with the Mono Shadow from Urban Decay in the shade Relish. It's like a very deep red. It's like some sort of, it's like a burgundy color, right? And I'm going to be using a little tiny mirror here so that I can see. Like I said, I don't know what look I'm going for either, but guys, Sizabona Kono, Sizabona Kono. I'm just going to fix my base first. So yeah, there we go. So now I'm gonna place my products on the outer corner. And guys, I know my hair looks like a mess. I'm gonna be recording a styling video right after this. You can catch that video on IGTV. I will drop the link down below. So I'm just gonna do this. Place all those babies. From my Connie Transform palette, this shade right here. It's like a very bright orange. I don't know why my camera is showing it like that. And now I'm just going to soften up Relish using Queen Bee. So I'm placing product and blending at the same time. To kind of blend out this concealer. Excuse me. So now I'm going back with Relish on my outer corner. I'm just softening that concealer line up. now, using a different brush, I'll be using Queen Bee as well and just softening out Relish. So now I'm going to go in with the shade X. It's also a mono shadow from Urban Decay. And I'm using a concealer brush because I want it nice and flat. Alright, and then I'm just going to start placing this on my inner corner. And then go back with Queen Bee just to make sure it's still popping like this. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye. I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. So now I'm using the Crease Glam and Dull Volume Mascara Waterproof. Guys, I've been using Crease mascaras for the longest time now. I think I started using their mascara from around 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2018. So it's like 2 years. A consistent queen. So now I'm gonna go back with Queen Bee, but using Queen Bee for my waterline, just Queen Bee, nothing else. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my other eye. Guys, the difference, do you see the difference? Like, hi guys, I'm back and this is my final look. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Before we go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. And don't forget to check out my IGTV to see how I styled my wig and fixed that little mess I had going on. The link will be down below in the description. Love you lots. See you next time. Bye.